Al-Qamar, the moon.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Surah Al-Qamar, the moon. This Makki surah has 55 ayat. It is narrated from the Holy Prophet that the fact of the person who recites this surah will shine like the full moon on the day of reckoning. The best time to recite the surah is at night, and this carries the highest reward. Imam Jafar al-Sadiq alayhi salam said that the one who recites the surah will have a mount from Jannah on which he will sit when he wakes from his grave. Whoever keeps the surah under his cap or turban at the time of Jummah prayers will be highly respected by the people and his difficulties will be eased. The hour drew nigh, and the moon did rend asunder. And if they see a miracle, they turn aside and say transient magic, and they call it a lie, and follow their low desires, and every affair has its appointed term. And certainly some narratives have come to them wherein is prevention, consummate wisdom, but warnings do not avail. So turn your back on them, for the day when the inviter shall invite them to a hard task, their eyes cast down, going forth from their graves as if they were scattered locusts. Hastening into the inviter, the unbeliever shall say, "This is the hard day." Before them, the people of Nuh rejected, so they rejected our servant and called him mad, and he was driven away. Therefore, he called upon his Lord, "I am overcome, though then to help." So we opened the gates of the cloud with water pouring, and we made water to flow forth in the land in springs, so the water gathered together according to a measure already ordained. And we bore him on that which was made of planks and nails, sailing before our eyes, a reward for him who was denied. And certainly we left it as a sign, but is there anyone who, how great was then my punishment and my warning? And certainly we have made the Quran easy for remembrance, but is there anyone who will mind? And treated the truth as a lie, so how great was my punishment and my warning? Surely we sent on them a tornado in a day of bitter ill luck, tearing men away as if they were the trunks of palm trees torn up. How great was then my punishment and my warning! And certainly we have made the Quran easy for remembrance, but is there anyone who will mind? Samud rejected the warning, so they said, "What, a single mortal from among us, shall we follow him? Most surely we shall in that case be in sore error and distress. Has the reminder been made to light upon him from among us? Nay, he is an insolent liar. Tomorrow shall they know who is the liar, the insolent one. Surely we are going to send this she camel as a trial for them. Therefore watch them and have patience. And inform them that the water is shared between them. Every share of the water shall be regulated." But they called their compassion a companion, so he took the sword and slew her. How great was then my punishment and my warning! Surely we sent upon them a single cry, so they were like the dry fragments of trees which the maker of an enclosure collects. And certainly we have made the Quran easy for remembrance, but is there anyone who will mind? The people of Lut treated the warning as a lie. Surely we sent upon them a stone storm. Except Lut's followers, we saved them a little before daybreak. A favor from us, thus do we reward him who gives thanks. And certainly he warned them of a violent seizure, but they obstinately disputed the warning. And certainly they endeavored to turn him from his guests, but we blinded their eyes, so taste my chastisement and my warning. And certainly a lasting chastisement overtook them in the morning, so taste my chastisement and my warning. And certainly we have made the Quran easy for remembrance, but is there anyone who will mind? And certainly the warning came to Fir'aun's people. They rejected all our communication, so we overtook them after the manner of a mighty powerful one. Are the unbelievers of yours better than these, or is there an exemption for you in the scriptures? Or do they say, "We are a host allied together to help each together"? Soon shall the host be routed, and they shall turn their backs. Nay, the hour is their promised time, and the hour shall be most grievous and bitter. Surely the guilty are in error and distress on the day when they shall be dragged upon their faces into the fire. Taste the touch of hell. Surely we have created everything according to a measure, and our command is but one as the twinkling of an eye. And certainly we have already destroyed the likes of you. There is there anyone who will mind? And everything they have done is in the writings, and everything small and great is written down. Surely those who guard against evil shall be in gardens and rivers, in the seat of honor with the most powerful king. Sadaqallahu al-Aliyyul Azim.